Hi, this is Chris. I am looking at a tree that I no longer want on my property. I went and I bought this RYOBI 10-inch 254 millimeter chainsaw. It runs off my regular 18 volt 44 amp, I guess, by RYOBI. I have had some pretty good luck with all of RYOBI's stuff, and I have quite a bit of it. So today we're looking at cutting this tree out of there. As you can see, the RYOBI pole saw is down there. But this pine right here, and there you go. I believe this chainsaw was well worth the money. I got mine at Home Depot, and I know you can order them online, and I love it. Now, time for me to chop the rest of this up. Thank you for watching, and subscribe if you can. Thank you.